folks, welcome to Busted Outdoors. I'm here walking to the tree stand. It is November 27th. We have a 13-mile-per-hour west wind. It's a little strong, but not compared to last night, and I'll get to that. Last night, that's 31 degrees, feels like 22. It's cold. Last night, rather, that's what I wanted to talk about. We had a continuous 20-plus mile-per-hour wind out of the west. Might be able to hear that wind a little bit now. And had gusts in the 35, maybe even 40-mile-per-hour range. It was so windy, like it wasn't safe to be in the tree, to be honest with you. But I didn't get cold at all, not even in the slightest bit did I get cold. And that's kind of what I wanted to talk about a little bit. I don't talk about a lot of gear because everyone has their own stuff they use. Nothing's bad. Everyone has their own preferences. But obviously I wear Sitka. I'll probably catch some flack for that, but I love it. And last night really made me appreciate the Sitka product even more. If you wear this system correctly, you'll be able to sit in the stand longer and turn, kill more big deer. Because there's been days where it's 10 o'clock in the afternoon, middle of the rut, 20 degrees, and I'm freezing. And I've got gear that I bought from other stores that just can't hold up to this weather. And you get out of the tree, you're done. But yesterday's wind, I didn't get cold. So let's talk a little bit about the system I'm wearing to keep me warm and comfortable in 20 mile per hour weather. 20 mile per hour continuous winds in 20 degree weather. So the very base layer I have, the heavyweight bottoms, which are my Sitka leggings. They're amazing. I wear them every day for work too in cold weather. Throw those things on, throw a uniform on over top of them. You're not gonna get cold. You're not gonna get cold. So I've got the core heavyweight bottoms, and then I have my mountain pants. The only reason I have the mountain pant, two reasons. Reason one, it's the only other pant I have that's not an insulated layer, so I don't have much of a choice. And reason two is I have the saddle a lot, and the mountain pant comes with built-in knee pads. So when I'm against a tree, my knees don't hurt when I'm sitting against a tree. So core, the heavyweight bottoms, the mountain pant, and the Stratus pant. That's it. Stratus pant is 100% windproof, water resistant, and super, super quiet. So that's all I have for the bottoms. And my legs don't even get remotely cold. Now for the top half, and I've noticed my top half will get colder than my bottom half if I hear that wind. So I have the core heavyweight 3/4 zip, my base layer. I just wear a regular t-shirt, and then I put the core 3/4 zip base layer. And then I have my Fanatic hoodie, which has the thumb holes in them. I can flip that down and cover my fingers. My fingers get cold. And I've got a hood that I'll pull out when I get in the stand. Goes over, has a built-in face mask. So the Fanatic hoodie is very nice. And then the Equinox jacket over top. And then once I get in the stand, I'll put on my Stratus jacket. And that's all I have for the top layer. So just my 3/4 heavyweight base layer, my 1/4 zip. And then my Fanatic hoodie, Equinox jacket, and then the Stratus jacket over top of that, and that's it. And I have never been more comfortable in the tree. I literally sold my Fanatic jacket and bought the Stratus. So unless you're hunting in sub-zeros all the time, the Stratus is all you need. That is it. Now, I mean, again, Sitka is expensive, but gosh, it is worth every penny in low bulk, and you're comfortable. So I'm about to head up into the tree strap on, and we're gonna see if these deer are moving tonight. They were moving last time in this wind, so hopefully we get a big one move tonight. They'll creep or make some noise and lay them down. So wish me luck. Let's do it.